We came to ride Mount Mitchell. Apparently, a lot of the campgrounds, the road up there is washed away. So Mount Mitchell is a no-go.
That's
Great. We're gonna go find what we can ride.
You're gonna find me a mountain.
A little one, maybe. Not the big one. The catcher on this one is supposed to do a brick.
He promised.
After we come back, we'll see how we're feeling. Supposed to ride or run 3 miles.
With Shelby. Ooh.
That's
Close.
up Mount Mitchell that way. I'm gonna start climbing. Gorgeous. Very nice and quiet, peaceful. There's 7 climbs on this route.
Rollers, baby.
Rollers, yeah. Yeah, killer descent right there. Put a smile on your face, huh? I only use the big green when it's needed. Heck yeah, huh? Keep the power flowing. Getting a little hot. Can you see that? That looks nice. Go get it, baby. I'm right behind you. This is Lake James, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of similarities, you know, it's 30, 40 minutes out. Oh, Wednesday. Yeah. Get out of my way, sweetie. I'm transitioning. So we're back. We're gonna break it with a run here, and then we'll check in after that. Yeah, let's see how we do, man. We're 1 mile in the shade. That's the other part. Veronica's got, I don't know, about 1,000 feet or so. Shelby's done. She's ready to park, so I'm gonna park her. Try to catch Veronica.
My hero.
How are the legs after your brick today?
Not too bad, but ask me tomorrow morning.
Yeah, it could be a different story.